Hey guys, welcome back to Noah Supreme. This is my third video straight, and yeah, we're gonna be reviewing this bag. It was $16 from a local fireworks place, and yeah, so we're gonna be seeing what all we got. And we bought these all separate. This had missiles, Roman candles, and
there's like a few of everything in the backpack.
there, guys.
But not like the big one. Oh wait, are we just showing them?
So let's look what we have, guys. We're gonna start with the little pouch. What do we have? So we have this thing.
There's another of those things. There's two of those right here.
Kind of confused.
They're like clown things.
They're called Magnum poppers. This is caution flammable.
There's two of them.
You do.
I'll be right back.
Oh, you pull the trigger, guys. So yeah. Okay, so we got two of those. Two of these. So what else we got? So crackling ball. So apparently, guys, these do emits sparks.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at them. They're like green balls, kind of.
Okay, so we got this.
They're like the smoke ball
It's
video.
called
They're
a
kind of like those.
hen laying an egg. It's kind of bent up. Yeah.
But do you know, like the smoke videos? These are kind of like those balls, except they're green. They're like sparks. Things.
And we have poppers, just like the ones, but these are weaker.
Then the other one.
What's
Oh,
this
like the first
thing?
one we did.
Emit showers of sparks, so yeah, it's just like one of my favorites. Got the tank. You light it, it starts going. Shoots stuff everywhere. We got a party popper. Scario. Party popper.
Jeez, guys, you can see that little string.
Yeah.
That's from like.
Oh, guess what?
Stop! Stop it!
Hey, don't aim it at her.
Stop it!
Don't do that. Start shooting stuff.
Scared her.
No, stop doing stuff. You're scared to the death. No more, nothing in the house.
Guys, that's Jeremy. He just went at me.
That's what I think I just made out of pooper pants.
No, I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Ooh, this is pretty cool. It emits showers of sparks.
Looks like bees. You can see a few of
What is this
these.
thing?
Take another look at them. Kind of.
Caution, spins on the ground.
Oh.
So I'm gonna open that up.
No, don't. Mom said don't do any inside.
No. Let's get a knife.
Oh no, guys. We might do this outside and just show you. We might show you a few things outside of these if we want.
Yeah, we'll just
Like maybe we'll do those outside for you.
got these things. So I'm guessing they like
Spin on the
fly up
bottom.
or something. So yeah, we got.
We could do those
We
for a
got
different
these.
video. We'll do those for maybe a video.
Spins on ground and emits flaming sparks, guys. We got two of those.
They're the same thing. You can. I found
And we also have dancing butterfly. Oh, these are showers of sparks and flammable stuff.
Maybe they look like. Maybe they look
Yeah,
like.
and we
Butterflies.
have. Oh boy, we got some firecrackers. Just kidding. I think it is. There's gotta be. No, they're called something from China though, guys. All this is probably made in China. I think it's fireworks. I'm pretty sure it is. I mean firecrackers. We got some smoke bombs.
Like we did on that video, like kind of like the green ones, except like the real smoke bombs.
And it showers of sparks.
Oh, look at this. There's one white, two purple, yay.
See,
Look, this is broke open.
it's fine. You got stuff that emit showers of sparks.
Look at what?
And we got 2 boxes of sparklers.
Yay!
We got
Guys, like sparklers are my favorite.
emit showers of sparks used only under eclipse dust. So yeah. And our final 3 things are pro smoke, which that's like no trace smoke, guys, and Roman candles. And we have stuff that emits showers of sparks. So yeah, we'll be doing a review on some of this stuff, and see you.
So,